This is the small town of Hot Springs, North Carolina. When I lived in Madison County, I worked in this small town. It is a very historical site. One of our presidents, I think it was Theodore Roosevelt or Teddy Roosevelt, actually stayed in this town way back when they was president many years ago. That's just how historical and famous it used to be. So heartbreaking to see it destroyed with just this one storm. And keep praying. If you're able to send help, send aid to the people that was hit, please do. Again, have a blessed day.